How to send money on iMessage. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to send money on iMessage. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, launch the Messages application on your iPhone or your iPad and open an existing conversation or start a new one. Note that you cannot send money in a group chat. Once you have opened a conversation with the person you want to send money, tap the application's icon next to the text box. In the application's toolbar, select the Apple Pay icon. It's a black with a small white Apple logo and the word Pay icon. Using the window that appears, enter how much money you want to send and then tap on Pay. If you have not set up Apple Cash or Apple Pay, you will be prompted to do so. So follow the steps to set up Apple Pay. Once you have entered a valid money amount and pressed Pay, it will be put into the text box like a regular text message. Send it and you will be asked to confirm the payment. By default, it will use either Apple Cash or your default debit card to pay it. To change to another payment method, tap on the arrow on the right and select another from the list of options. A blue check mark will appear next to the card you have chosen. After you've selected your Apple Cash card or debit card, confirm the transaction by double-tapping the lock button of your device twice. Then use your Face ID, Touch ID, or enter your passcode to finish. The money will be sent to the recipient's Apple Pay account and will remain there until they accept it or 7 days pass. After 7 days, without the payment being accepted, the payment will expire and you will have to send it again. So, this is how you can send money on iMessage. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.